Guys, good morning. Today is February 1. Magluto tayo na tausing bangus. Alright. Una, hihiwain natin yung sibuyas at luya.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So, ayan na guys. Ayan yung ingredients natin. Pritong isda, bawang, at luya, sibuyas, kamatis, and ito, tausi, black beans, tahori. Ayan. Ito, ampalaya. So, ayan na, kompleto nating ingredients. Ayan, painit natin yung kawali. O, ayan na guys, lagyan natin ng oil. And una, mainit yung mantika and luya. Yeah. And then, halo. Next, bawang. And then, and then, sibuyas at kamatis. Ang bango. Ayan. Kasi maalat yung tausi. So, dapat kalahati lang ang ilalagay natin. Ayan. And next, tahori. Ayan. Aray ko, shit. Sorry pala guys. Idurugin natin yung tahori. Ayan. Halo-halo lang. Add water. Add 2 cup. Okay, pakuloy natin na mga 5 to 10 minutes. Antayin lang natin kumulo. Ayan. Wow. Medyo kumulo na siya. Tapos, ilalagay natin yung bangus. Tcharam! And then, halo lang. Tsaka natin ilalagay yung ampalaya. Ayan. Ayan, ilagay natin yung ampalaya. Tapos, haluin lang. Ayan, next, ilagay natin ang bitchin. Huwag niya nang asinan guys kasi medyo maalat-alat naman na yung yung black beans na nilagay natin. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Ayan guys, pwede na yan. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Ayan, ito na yung ampalaya. Ay, huwag nyo masyado palang haluin kasi baka madurog yung
Ayan na
isa.
guys, kain na tayo.
Ayan, patayin na natin yung apoy.
Tcharan! Ayan na, kain na tayo.
Yun na guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Simply Madison, and like if nagustuhan nyo. Comment, at lagi po tayo mag-iingat. Be good, bye!